my goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Sadri, what did Santa bring? Look it. Sadri, look. Sadri, what did Santa bring you? Here, talk.
Look at this.
Oh my goodness.
I look at it.
Wow.
Show me, Ben. I
Look at this.
That's a very cool toy.
Sadri, what do you got over there?
A monster truck.
That's so cool.
Did Santa bring that, Sadri? What did Santa bring?
Oh my goodness. I can't believe it, Sadri. Look at that dollhouse. Ben, let me see what you got. What's in your stocking over there? Whoa. Ask your mom, I'm not sure which one.
Thank you, Holly.
Saved me the stocking.
Yeah? Let me see.
Sadri, what do you think, honey?
Wow, I see some dolls.
Monster truck.
Who's there?
Daddy.
What's this one?
I see Ariel.
Bell.
Belle. Santa knows you love her. He must have seen your...
Sadri.
Yeah.
I love princesses.
You think Santa knew?
Sweetie?
Christmas,
Oh, so careful
Mommy.
with Holly. She's just checking
Does
it out.
Santa know how much you love princesses? Look.
Oh my goodness. Sadri, those are big princess dolls. They're so beautiful.
They're
Bell.
beautiful. Wow.
Look at her hair. Isn't that clever?
funny?
Yeah. Now she has a crown.
She has a crown too. Oh my goodness. What else is here?
That's crazy. She has her hair down.
She has her hair down.
I like this how it's she has her hair up. These are superheroes. She has her hair down.
She has her hair down. This is her hair. It's like a big
She has her hair up and down.
Yes, just part
She
of
has
it.
a crown.
Yes, she does. Oh, look underneath. She has slippers. Ah.
Just like Cinderella. Here, I'll pull your hair back so you can see what's going on there.
But I don't have Cinderella.
But Cinderella's upstairs. Oh my goodness.
Crown lights up.
It lights up? Oh my goodness, look at this.
Does it really light up?
I wonder what that is.
Look.
This is cool.
I want this. Oh,
Oh my gosh. You got a monster truck?
You turn the light on your castle?
Thank you.
There's a light that goes on?
Yes.
Where's it go?
Where that chandelier is?
Oh, Sadri, let's turn the light on.
Look at
Just push the button.
This
Up
one's
above,
for
up above
all.
the chandelier.
Look at this one.
Sadri, look, it has
Are
a light
you
on.
serious?
That's so cute. Does it do anything else?
Oh yeah.
Honey, where's the
The piano and
where's the Piano? Piano.
Boy, Santa must have given you all the directions, Daddy.
Thank you.
You don't know. What do you mean?
Anything in this house?
It's over here.